Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw invoices from QuickBooks Online Project Profitability Reports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side menu. Click on the Reports option. In the Reports section, look for the search bar at the top. Type Project Profitability into the search bar and press Enter. Locate the Project Profitability report from the results. Click on the report to open it. Once the report is open, you'll see a list of your projects displayed. Review the project details to ensure you're focusing on the right one. To filter the report for specific invoices, click on the Customize button at the top right. In the customization options, select the date range that applies to your invoices. Scroll down to the Filter section. In the Filter section, choose Transaction Type and select Invoices. Click on Run Report to apply your filters. Now, your report will show only the invoices related to your selected projects. To export the invoices, click on the Export button located at the top right corner of the report. Choose whether you want to export to Excel or PDF. If you select Excel, the file will download automatically to your computer. For PDF, a new window will open, providing you with options to save the file. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the file to view the invoices extracted from your project profitability report. You have now successfully withdrawn invoices from the QuickBooks Online Project Profitability Reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.